This is the instructional video for the assignment titled, "Which will hit the floor first?" So this is our data collection and reflection sheet for this activity. For the data collection, we are working on testing the objects listed on this data table. What we're going to be doing is dropping the two items at the same height and same time. So we have our objects dropped. Before we drop them, we're going to make our prediction. Which object do you think will hit the ground first? Then you are going to drop both the crumpled paper and notebook, for example, at the same height and at the same time. Then you will record which object actually hit the ground first. You're going to repeat this for all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 conditions here. Crumpled paper and notebook, notebook and pencil, crumpled paper and pencil, pencil and coin or other small object, and a coin and other small object in a notebook. After you complete this table, it's time to move on to the reflection. The reflection section consists of 5 questions. Number 1, objects of different weight hit the ground at the Earth's caused the objects to fall to the ground. Number 3, does gravity ever change? Why or why not? Number 4, gravity on Earth, it remains or the same. And number 5, without, people and everything else would not stay on Earth. So after you go back into recorded lessons and materials and watch the videos posted for the week of 10-13 to 10-16, you will be able to better answer these questions. So if you need to pause this video and open up another one, that is completely fine. Just make sure that you are answering all 5 questions of the reflection and completing the chart here. When you're done, hit submit, and I will grade it as soon as I can.